we have this message. Thank you for using Delta, guys. Look at this. All scripts are rated successfully. Just click execute. What's up, fellas, and welcome to my brand new video. In this video I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. Let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website, then scroll down and you will find the Delta Executor online tool. Click there, and now we'll have to enter our username. So let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server, and let's wait for the searching for user and user found. Click connect, and now import the latest executor. So now we must select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this. Let me click continue, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, guys, and believe me, this is the best working method for Delta Executor. Okay, just scroll down and click verify now, and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete two simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download this, just play and earn money, and I will install this font maker. So I'll be back after I complete these two tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this status complete success, almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting, and let's see the final step. Okay, guys, injection successful. If you have this message, that's it. Now you can open your Roblox game and select any game want you play, and I will play this Grow Garden, and let's see, does it Delta Executor work? Okay, let's wait. Just a second. And now, guys, look at this. I'm now in the game, and we have this message. Thank you for using Delta, guys. Look at this. All scripts are rated successfully. Just click execute. And let's wait a little bit for this script, and look at this, amazing. This is working perfectly, guys. Delta Executor for mobile. That's pretty much it for this review, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next. Bye.